In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money to and from China with Wise. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to wise.com and create an account if you don't have one yet, or sign in if you do have an account already. After that, go to the home page and click on Send over here. And then after you do that, you'll have to select your amount. So if you are sending from China, you want to go ahead and select, of course, Chinese yuan, and then the currency you want the person you're sending to get, okay? So for example, let's do 100 euros over here. This will automatically calculate, and then your fees will be in here as well. You can read all this basically notifications over here and even add a reference if you want to. Click on add a recipient, and then here you can basically go ahead and add a specific recipient. You can add their bank details. You can basically upload a screenshot or invoice, or you can find them using the Wise tag. After that, enter in their details, review everything. So for example, someone else, enter in details, review everything, and then you can go ahead and pay. So that is if you are sending from China to somebody else, okay? But if you actually want to send, for example, to China, you can go ahead and select this, and I'm gonna go ahead and select Euro, and I want to send to China, so we have to select Chinese yuan over here, and I want to send 100 Chinese yuan, okay? And after you do that, again, the same process, I'm going to click on add recipient, and here you have three options. You can either find them on Wise with either Wise tag, email, or mobile number. And then when you find them, you can just proceed. You can use it, you can send it using an e-wallet like Alipay or WeChat Pay. So the maximum amount transfer limit for this is 50,000 Chinese yuan. So click on that and then do either yourself or someone else. And then here you can go ahead and put in their details, press on continue. Or alternatively, you can also use Union Pay card, for which the limit is 33,000 Chinese yuan. Click on here, choose someone else or myself, and then here you can go ahead, enter in the details, and press continue again. Now, depending, of course, doesn't matter which method you chose, you'll have to review everything, and if you actually do agree with sending that and with all the summary, you can just press continue again, and then you'll be able to pay, and the money is going to be on the way either from China or to China using Wise. Okay, so that's pretty much how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.